Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special. I think it's an Amazon unboxing or just a normal one, but my Amazon affiliate link will be down below. If it's for Amazon, if not, their website link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far, everybody is safe, and you also see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. Here we go. This is coming from Sansi LED. Baby, here we go. Everything out. Light up. Oh, it's one of these things. Alright. Outdoor LED floodlight. These are nice things to have. Should be waterproof. Got a remote control. You're gonna need some batteries. Probably AAA, which I do have. I'm gonna test this thing out. Here we go. Look at the remote. It's pretty easy to use setup and everything. You don't really need the manual, but if you want to read it, it's there for you. Alright guys, let's see what this thing looks like. Alright. Smooth fade flash. And battery here. AAA. Be right back. Alright guys, here we go. It is super bright. Just seeing spots right now. Alright. Just turn it on. I got the cord all the way down. It's ready to go. Shut the lights off. 2 seconds. Definitely purple. Ooh, my eyes. Try to look away, but it's good to hurt that too. Really cool. Pink. Yeah, it's some pink shade. Definitely want to grab a couple, but I think one is really all you need. But Depends on how. Oh, we are in Satan's lair. It's pretty trippy. Alright. Green. Christmas colors. That is crazy looking. Blue. I like the blue. That is definitely cool. Strobe. Oh